what kind of fun things can we do to start with kids for seed starting?
That's a really good question. Kids, I always like carrots. I don't know, you know, about your family.
Absolutely,
carrots are a really great thing, and fall is a perfect time to grow your carrots. And look at these cute little heirloom carrots. They come in all these different colors.
That is adorable.
How fun is that?
Yes.
Oh, and some of our other crops that turn purple or have different colors.
Right.
There's beans that come in yellows and purples. And you're going to start those by seed too.
Yes,
and beans are always a great crop for kids because they come up so fast.
Yes.
You know, they want that instant gratification. They're impatient. So I pick the bigger things for them.
Okay.
So beans are super, you know, we're coming up on that really fast. Probably middle of August, maybe, if our temp comes down just a hair.
Great.
And then, you know, all through September.
Yes.
And even later than that, if our weather is decent, you can plant seeds. There's also heirloom beets. That are coming all different colors.
Yes.
Pickled beets might be fun for the kids. Get a little tang and tart and sour going on for them. Cucumbers and squashes we're going to be planting by seeds. I direct sow them a little bit later. Some people like to plant them and get the starts going and then put them in the garden.
Yes.
Just remember, if you're doing that, they grow really, really fast. And your areas have to be ready for those transplant on cucumbers and squash.
Yes.
Because you don't want them to get stretchy and you don't want them to be in their pots too long.
Okay.
That'll set them back further than just planting those seeds.
Yes. Oh, well, that's good to know.
Yeah. And a lot of our greens, we can sprinkle that right out and direct sow.
Wonderful.
A lot of these crops for fall, we can direct sow.
That's great. That's very nice.
Do tons of different kinds of lettuces and all different colors. So we're looking at that. If our temp comes down in September, if it doesn't, I'll wait, you know, but as soon as that breaks.
Yes.
And a lot of times it's mid-September. So a lot of different seeds. So get everything ready. September comes up really fast.
Yes, it does.
And we are, August goes fast too because we're getting the kids ready for school this year.
School shopping, school supplies, all that stuff. Yes.
So just get out there and get everything prepped, get your seeds bought, and watch your weather.
Yes. Thank you guys so much for joining us today. Thank you, Laura. Had a great time. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to our videos. Leave us comments, any questions that you might have, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.
Bye.